today it's the 3rd of November 2021. We managed to get inside Raiviosuonmäki 3. And the 5 stake is A. We only have the stakes C and D left to be filmed. We also have the stakes bigger. And it was completely impossible to get inside here. It was built in early 1970, then 50 years old in the next year 2020. It will be inspected in 2023. And this is probably early 1970 because the one next to us is, or on the opposite side, building 4 is probably late 1969.
Yeah.
And the serial number is 18469. It's in Martinlaakso, modernized, Länsi Vantaa, Western Vantaa in the Helsinki-Helsingfors region, Uusimaa, Finland. I like the smell in this one.
Same.
Also, on the opposite side, we only have the sticks A and B that are left to be filmed. And on this side is C and D.
Yeah.
4 of the most important elevators left to be filmed in Martinlaakso.
Yeah.
Maybe even the most important ones, maybe.
Yeah.
But Raiviosuonmäki didn't also.
Yeah.
And I think almost all of the MP8 elevators are filmed here.
Yeah. These poikkivain made it by autos, so nowadays scrap this.
I also like the sounds and the vibrations here.
Same.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope you will also get the stakes to C and D as soon as possible.
That's